To transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Crypto.com. Start by opening your Binance account and clicking on the Wallet option at the bottom of the screen. Select the account you want to use for the transfer, such as your spot account, and then click on the Withdraw button or choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the list. This will take you to a screen where you need to click on the Withdrawal option, and then select the Send via Crypto Network option. Next, open your Crypto.com app. Click on the Account option, and then select the crypto wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as Bitcoin, and click on Transfer. Then Deposit. Select the network you want to use, and you will be given your wallet address, which you can copy by clicking on the copy icon. Go back to your Binance account. Paste the wallet address into the required field, and ensure the network selected matches the one chosen in your Crypto.com app. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click on the Withdrawal button. Your Bitcoin will then be transferred from Binance to Crypto.com.